Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I am here with an interesting and very useful product. I got many mails in which you have asked me to talk about some products that works on stretch marks, scars and burn spots. We all know that everyone has some kinds of scars and stretch marks and it's very normal. Actually, it's a result of skin stretching, lose and gain weight after a sudden growth, etc. I also have stretch marks on many parts of my body. I tried many products to get rid or reduce them, but unfortunately they did not work. Recently I came across the Clovia Botanica No Stretch Marks Oil. Clovia, as you all know, a famous brand of women lingerie. Now they have started their personal care range. There are lots of products in this for hair, body and skin. And I chose this No Stretch Marks Oil. Before I begin, let me show you where you can shop for Clovia Botanica products on their website. Clovia Botanica 13-in-1 Natural Oils is a no stretch marks body oil that is totally natural with goodness of 13 useful oils like argan oil, patchouli oil, jojoba oil, borage oil, orange oil, grapeseed oil, neroli oil, wheat germ oil, rosemary oil, carrot seed oil, chamomile oil, lavender oil and bitter almond oil. The best thing is that it's free from paraben, sulfate and all kinds of harmful ingredients. It's completely safe. Let me talk about the packaging. It comes in this type of lightweight pump bottle that is easy to use and store. The consistency of this oil is neither too thick nor thin. I mean, it's just perfect for massaging on the skin. I just take a little amount of the oil, rub it into my palm and apply it to the area I want. It has a pleasant but strong smell. It's spread, as you can see, so easily, and after a few strokes of massage, it sinks into the skin and leaves the area soft and smooth. The best part of this oil is that it doesn't feel sticky, so you can use it in summer as well. I always apply it after shower when my skin is slightly damp by massaging on the areas. I have been using it for 2 weeks and I can see a great effect of this oil. The skin of these areas looks smooth and toned, so I can expect a good result after a month of use. I am satisfied with the effect I got in 2 weeks. The areas where I am using this oil feels nourished, soft and smooth, which indicates that it's working well. I will highly recommend this oil to all of you. The only suggestion is that be patient while using it and be regular. The price of this oil is 499 rupees, but you can get 10% discount if you use my code. I hope you have found this review helpful. If you have any question or doubt, feel free to ask in the comment box. We'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.